Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload website files in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains how to upload websites on cPanel in simple steps. So the first step is log into cPanel. After that, click on the file manager. Once you click on File Manager, then create a new website folder. You must upload the file along with the name of its index. However, you can upload any file extension. Step 4. Upload the zip file. Now it's time to choose and upload the zip file on the server. Follow the steps below. Double click the folder and move inside. Click the Upload button to transfer all the files with cPanel. A new window displaying the Select tab is visible. Click it and then choose the compressed zip file in the next step. Upload the site in your cPanel and wait for the green progress bar to complete. Step 5. Extract the zip file. After uploading the zip file, you have to extract it to make the content live, so the list of files will appear. Once you are done with uploading, you can load the site. Then you will see how the website is published. With this, your website upload in cPanel completes successfully. Using the file manager can help you in managing, updating, and editing the file. As you can see, the overall process is not so complex, and you can easily follow it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.